can't tell what's straight and what's not straight. Is that straight? I don't know. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel.
Okay, so I just realized that I forgot to say that it's your new best friend. So
today I am more extra than usual. I did a galaxy look. As you can see, I was scrambling this whole video, girl. So if you watch this video and you're confused, I was confused too, okay? I'll try to do my best in the editing to see what I can do to make it seem less like I was just going crazy, but overall, I think the look came out, you know, okay. And I think that later on in life, when I'm better at makeup, I'm gonna do it again, and it's gonna look even better. So I'm just giving myself ideas, throwing stuff into the universe, as you can see. Yes, I'm missing a nail. That's how my life is going right now. It came off in the shower. That's my intro. Oh, before we get into the video, if you're already excited, hit that like button already. Hit the subscribe button to become a part of the squad. Also hit that notification bell so that you never miss a chance to come hang out with me. Without further ado, to see what I did to create this galaxy look, keep on watching. Okay, so I look crazy right now. I'm actually doing a creative look today. So I did my foundation and I went ahead and took the white shadow from the Morphe 35B palette, and I just mapped out where I want my galaxy to go. So basically it was just a superhero mask kind of thing.
So I started off by taking my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Feisty, and I applied that all around the edges of where I applied a white shadow.
She cute or whatever. I have these two NYX Duochromatic illuminating powders. One is in the shade Snow Rose and the other one is in the shade Twilight Tint. And I'm going to take a combination of these two on a small fluffy blending brush just to give me more control. And I'm actually gonna, I think I'm gonna apply the blue one first. And I'm gonna take this in the regular shape that I would apply my highlighter. This is obviously just initial. I'm gonna go ahead and apply more later on as I think I need it. Okay, now that I have the blue laid down, I'm gonna take the pink on the same brush and I'm gonna just tap that on top. I'm also taking a little bit on the tip of my nose just for now. I'm gonna take my favorite little pencil brush for highlighting the inner corner, and I'm going to mix those two colors again and pop that right on the inner corner and then the brow bone. Okay, and obviously, like I said, we're just applying this highlight initially and we're gonna build on it again later. So now we're gonna start building up the galaxy colors.
Okay, so here you can see me talking in the video, but I kind of didn't like how I was explaining it. So basically what I'm doing is I'm adding in a blue shadow from the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm blending it into a figure 8 shape, but I'm leaving spaces in between for a pink shadow that I'm going to add in later. I'm also making sure to wing out the shape on the outer corners of the eye, just to give it that mask look at the end. Okay, so here I'm adding in a pink shadow, also from the Morphe 35B palette, basically putting it everywhere where I didn't blend that blue in. Also blending between my eyebrows, over my nose, and into the blush from earlier in the video. However, I am leaving space between the pink and the blue to add in a purple shadow later. That's basically going to help me be a transition and give me more of a gradient effect rather than having two patches of color. Okay, so here I go adding in the purple. I didn't put this anywhere specific, I just basically put it in where I thought I needed it to have a smoother transition between the two shades, and in other random places that I thought needed more color. At this point the look was like a little cotton candy to me, and I was getting kind of worried, but I did want to start off with a lighter base to deepen up later.
So I'm gonna go back in with the blue and add in more blue where I think it needs to show up more. See? There goes that shape, nice and built. I'm gonna take this brush here and this periwinkle up here. Okay, that's doing things.
So I started off with this blue-purple shade by just throwing it into the crease as much as I could, but it wasn't really doing what I wanted it to. So I ended up packing it in random places to blend out later.
Oops, I didn't put it under my lash line on this side. It's honestly fine. It's honestly fine. We're gonna take this brush here, this purple right here, and I'm actually deepening up the crease over here on this side. I'm taking it also under the eye as well. Everything about this look is messy because I want it to be kind of artistic and not like perfect, you know? I'm taking the same purple and just winging out. I'm gonna blend out that shape. Okay, and I think I kind of want to deepen up everywhere in the center of the eye with this, so I'm trickling it down as well. Okay, I'm blending with the periwinkle brush. Obviously there's not really any product left on it. Okay, so I'm taking this really dark purple here. Excuse me, Fallout, this is so fucking rude. The swiping motions are not really working for me. Let's see what I can do. Let's blend. Actually, I learned this from Jasmine Scofield. Oh my god, the fuck is happening? Anyway, so she said that when you layer too much shadow, kind of makes the shadow lift when you try to add more shadows, because it's chalky. So you spray to melt your shadows together. That helps when you're applying more shadow on top as well. I'm blending more pink down here. I'm blending more blue out here. I told you we were gonna lose the highlight. Oh well. And I'm taking a fluffy flat brush and I'm going in with this navy color here. Yes, navy blue, come through. And I don't know, just putting it in random places that I think need to be deepened. This purple's patchy, so I'm gonna pop some navy blue in this bitch too. And like I said, I'm taking it and I'm trying to take it in patting motions and not swiping motions because I don't want to lift any color. Now we're gonna blend with the random brush. Wow, look at me being creative. So I'm gonna take this blue shimmer right here. I'm gonna get a spritz. Ah! Excuse me, that was rude. And I'm gonna pop that right on top of all these purple and other shades, right on the lid. And since it's wet, it's gonna help it come on like a liner, actually, and maybe some tears. Come through, tears, in the corner. I didn't cut it because I don't want it to look perfect. And now taking this brush and we're gonna blend. Alright, repeating on the other side. My camera's running out of battery, so I'm probably gonna have to change that in a second, but I want to do this first. Send help. I think that looks pretty good, actually. So on this side, I'm gonna do the blue right here. Right here. The blue right here. The blue up here. And yes, and down the bridge. Wow. And then everywhere else where I need highlight, I'm adding in that pink. So the pink over here, in here. Yes, and the tip of the nose. And then right there. Okay guys, sorry, the camera died. While that was happening, I added some wings and I let my waterline with black. My coffee's cold. I like it, you know? I'm shook. Next order of business is to add in white freckles. So I'm taking a white felt tip liner. Hopefully this works out for me. And I think I might start up here. And I'm just kind of adding, like maybe I'll add a star right here. Yeah, you know what? This isn't giving me enough control. So I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild brush and my NYX Jumbo pencil, my go-to. And hopefully this gives me the control that I want. Oh yeah, way better. Those stars are cool, and I'm gonna use this to add in dots. So basically, just anywhere. Okay. And then kind of make freckles right here, you know? Okay, so I'm adding in lines between the big stars that I did. All right, Yes. Let's add a new lip, I guess. Oh, actually, maybe I want to add in some yellow. Let's just add like a little bit, you know? Because, you know, like not all stars are white, some are yellow. Wow, how are girls so talented? I thought this was gonna look better. You can tell that I'm winging it, you know? But some girls be winging it and it looks perfect. And I'm like, girl, I want that. Alright, whatever. Now we're done. Now let's add a new lip. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this NYX pencil in Vanilla Sky. Fuck, she broke. Alright, well, that's canceled. I'm gonna take my trusty NYX Soft Matte in London. I know this never fails me. Now I'm gonna do one more spritz while she dries. Oof. Just add the highlight back in. So here we go. Oh my god, I haven't even added lashes yet. What's wrong with me? So the blue first, and then we're taking the pink and we're adding that under right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes and some gloss, and I'll be right back for the outro. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look. So I feel like I busted this out really quick. It's only been 2 hours. I just wanted to do something special, you know? So here I am. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me be in complete shambles trying to get this look together. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell so that you never miss a chance to come hang out with me and eat chips and drink coffee. Also, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. I don't know where the like button is, but I know that you know, so don't play me and hit it, girl. Alright, that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one.